Come on.
You gotta make her move around.
Come here. Come over here.
Shiner,
show Grammy
come
your
here.
boots. What is she doing with her back leg? Come here. Let's go outside. Come on, let's
Get her
go
to
outside.
walk into the bedroom and then I'm gonna call her over. Get her to go over that way.
Come on. No, Sheldon.
Sheldon, stay.
Come here, Shine. Say thanks for the boots, Grammy. Come on. Come over here. Good girl.
She's trying to like tick him off with every step.
Good girl. That's going on Facebook immediately. Say thanks, Grammy.
Shiner, come here.
Hold on, this back one's coming off.
Is that the one that's got a broken